association, guys, in the front here. See? He's still cutting the grass. But nice kaayo, no? Okay. At least they have a thing to ride. They didn't have to push it, you know? Make it easy. See? Walay kapoy ba? Yung mga na ilang trabaho. Magkuan ra sila din na sa kanang kuan. Gawas ko kadi. Okay? But it's too loud if I would go outside. Eh, magtituyok ra sila, guys. Ingon ano ara na. Magkat sa grass, you know? Maura na may kay sila. They're so good of maneuvering the machine. So good of cutting the grass. Yeah. See, that's just what they do, just like that. And they go here and they go to another house to cut the grass down there too. Then when they're done, then they go home. Magbalik-balik lang na sila, you know. Then my plant here, they do all of these things too. Kani sa yard. Kaya mga kuan man na sila kanang they work for the association sa pangan ana ay. Di na nung ko ka-think noon. Unsa na guys, ang tawag ana. Di ko ka-think. Pero nice guys, sa gawas, no? Di lang ko magawas pa kay murag makuan man taga pajama raman ko mauwat ta mo gawas ba na pa gyapon gakat lang gyapon siya sa grass. See? Hindi kay no. Ana ra siya tan-aw. Saba kaayo. No. Landscape. Mao dai na. That's the word, landscape. Daghan na silang ga landscape dirito asad ngadto lain sadto dito. Dito sa kani tan-aw na lang inoon ko ani. Mura kong buang. Anyway, okay guys. Thank you. I thought I would show them to you. Yep, that's what they do once a week. They come here and they cut the grass, and then during winter time when it snows, so they have people to come to plow the snow to clean our yard. We pay for it every month. Thank you guys. Bye bye.